Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here, and this is a must-have Safari extension. But before I tell you these must-have Safari extension, it'll be really cool if you guys will hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because it will help this video out. Okay, so the must-have Safari extension is called Vinegar. So Vinegar is a new Safari extension that arrived to the App Store this week, and it is a fantastic extension when it comes to using YouTube on Safari on the iPhone or on the Mac as well. And how it works is pretty simple. So right now, of course, by default, YouTube, of course, on Safari, when it comes on the iPhone, you cannot use picture-in-picture. It will track you, of course, with ads. And of course, YouTube will also be able to track when you play, you pause, and you continue the video as well, and other stuff. So what Vinegar does is pretty much turn that secret HTML code that YouTube has from behind the scenes to track you from all that stuff, and it makes it into a simple video tag. That's pretty much it. That's all they do with the extension. So now when you watch YouTube on Safari on your iPhone 13 mini or on your Mac, you can now have a simple video player that allows you, of course, to change the resolution in a simple way. It will just be a dead simple video player playing YouTube, and you won't have any ads, of course, showing up on YouTube. And also, of course, YouTube will not be able to track you when it comes when you're watching YouTube on Safari as well. When you play, you pause, and you resume the video as well. And picture-in-picture works as well. Or if you switch tabs on Safari, the video will still keep playing as well, which is something, of course, that sometimes YouTube automatically pauses the video just because it knows that you're not watching it at the very moment. So you'll be able to listen to your music in the background still without any problems. So it's a really cool Safari extension, of course, to have, because it makes it really easy for you to just watch YouTube videos that simple as a simple video player on YouTube on Safari. Now, of course, is Vinegar a really great Safari extension to have? So it depends, of course. Like for me, I really like it because, it makes watching YouTube on Safari really good, and no more ads popping up, so I don't get annoyed when I'm watching videos and ads are popping up. But also there's the other side where I want to support the creator as well, and if I watch these videos and I allow these ads to pop up, they make a certain amount of money as well. As a YouTuber, it does, there is a balance there. Like, I want ads to show up in my videos because I can make some sort of passive income from YouTube as well. So it's a balance that's very hard to do right now, of course, when it comes to watching YouTube videos, when it comes to using Safari extensions like Vinegar, to block those ads and tracking, and you don't get to support those YouTubers online as well. But of course, I am sharing this extension because I think a lot of people are going to really enjoy using it on the iPhone 13 mini or on the Mac. And what's also really cool is that this app is not free, so it is $2.99. But it's a one-time download, and it works on all Apple products that support this application. So you don't need to pay for it on the iPhone or on the Mac. It's all in one download, and it's a really fantastic application, of course, to have for your YouTube viewing experience on Safari. So if you guys did enjoy this video, it would be really cool if you guys will hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because not only does it help the video as well, but it does help the channel in the future. And that's pretty much it. And if you guys enjoyed this video, it will be really cool that I'll see you guys later. Peace.